sure know how to pick of you. Oh, 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 oh. All right, somebody's been requesting this song a lot, and I told them I would do it, so we're gonna learn how to play Grandpop's Uke by Forrest, I believe it is. Yeah, so there's actually two ways that you can learn to play this. I was just playing the easier version because I'm sure you'd want to like strum and sing along, but if you just like playing the ukulele, I'll show you the harder version. You could probably play that and sing if you're, better at playing ukulele than I am, but yeah, let's get to the easy part first. Okay, so there's 4 different chords that I like to use that I think sound as close to the ones that he plays. I'm not really sure exactly what chords he plays. There's a bunch of things online that say different chords, but I found these ones to sound the best while playing along with the song. So they're gonna be right here for those of you that like the chart. But yeah, the first chord is a B flat, which is these 2 bottom strings, and then this 2nd fret 2nd string, and then the 3rd fret 1st string. I like to play it as a bar, so I'll bar this whole fret right here, put my middle finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and my ring finger on the 1st string 3rd fret. It sounds like this. The next chord after that is a G minor. So what you want to do is put your pointer finger on the bottom string here, your middle finger on the 2nd string 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 3rd string 3rd fret. It sounds like this. And then the next chord after is a little tricky if you're not used to using all 4 fingers, but it is an F7. So you play a normal F chord, which is your middle finger, top string 2nd fret, your pointer finger, 3rd string 1st fret, your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret, and then your pinky on the 4th string 3rd fret, right down there. It sounds like this. And then the chord after that is a D minor. So it is again your pointer finger, 3rd string 1st fret, your middle finger, 2nd string on the, or 1st string on the 2nd fret, and then your ring finger on the 2nd string of the 2nd fret. D minor. And the strumming pattern for the easy version, what I usually do is just say down, up, down, up, down. It kind of goes really good with the beat, but I'm sure you can try out any other ones that you like if you just want to go like down, down, or up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. As long as it's kind of that sort of do-do, 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 do-do kind of sound, then you're good. So yeah, putting it all together, it sounds like this, starting with B flat, G minor, F7, and then D minor. Back to B flat, G minor, F7, D minor. And that's the easy version. So let's get to the harder one. That's more of like the finger picking solo pattern sounding sort of looking thing. All right, so for this one, we're gonna do a G minor again, except what we're gonna do for the strumming, we're gonna strum these 3 bottom strings, and then we're gonna pluck the 4th, 3rd, 2nd, 3rd. So first on G minor, it's gonna be strum, 4, 3, 2, 3. And then what you're gonna wanna do is take your pinky off of the 3rd string and then move your 1st finger up to the 3rd string. So you're only playing the 1st string or the 3rd string 1st fret and the 2nd string 2nd fret. And then you do the 4, 3, 2, 3 again. So all together with those 2, it's strum G minor, 4, 3, 2, 3, then this 4, 3, 2, 3, then take all your fingers off, strum the bottom strings again, and then 4, 3, 2, 3, and then just put your finger across all these 3 bottom ones, and it's the 4, 3, 2, 3. And it's that. So the strumming pattern is, it's strum, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, strum, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3. And then with the chords together, it's strumming 4, 3, 2, 3 on the G minor, 4, 3, 2, 3 on this, strum with the open strings, 4, 3, 2, 3, with open strings, and then 4, 3, 2, 3 on the bottom 3 strings of the 5th fret. And that's the more complicated version, but it kind of goes with the ding, 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 ding part of the song. So it sounds like this. So if you like that version better, you can do that, or if you just like playing through with what we did before, you can choose whatever you like better. So yeah, let's go ahead and try to sing this. What a perfect afternoon to listen to my grandpa's uke. You know I never got to hear him play, but he'd be glad to see you put to use. I wonder if he hears these strings, I wonder if he hears these tunes. You know Nana's lucky as can be, you sure know how to pick a view. Oh, 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 oh. I hope that helped you guys learn how to play Grandpop's Uke by Forrest, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Let me know what other ones you want, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
A creature with 2 heads, sleeping in 2 beds. Is it sweet or is it dead?